Chapter 9. Managing Waste.
A lot of waste is produced daily in every house. Do you know where all this waste goes? No, please tell me. Let me explain it to you in detail.
Waste. Waste is anything which is discarded because of its uselessness. It is produced in every house, school, office, etc. It includes fruit and vegetable peels, broken glass material, jars, bottles, rags, empty packets, and many other useless things. The population of our country is increasing day by day. With the passage of time, the lifestyle has also changed. Consequently, the amount of waste being produced on daily basis has increased many times. Waste in urban and rural areas. The lifestyle of people in rural area is simpler than that of an urban area. The rural people have limited needs. They do not use a lot of plastic or packaging materials. Therefore, less waste is produced in rural areas. Most of the rural domestic waste is converted into manure. In urban areas, people have more demands, and they depend a lot on packed foodstuff, so a lot of waste is produced in these areas. There are a number of industries and manufacturing units which produce harmful and toxic waste. Waste production is a natural process, but too much of anything is mostly harmful. Same is in the case of waste. We can reduce the amount of waste by taking some measures. It is also very essential to dispose waste properly to check the environmental pollution. Disposal of waste. The waste should be disposed of properly. However, most of the people dump the waste unwisely. They often throw it in open areas or on the roadside. This makes the waste a breeding ground for insects and other disease-causing germs. It produces a foul smell as well. The waste produced in homes is disposed of in the following ways. The waste is collected in covered dustbins. The waste from the houses is collected by a garbage collector and dumped in big green and blue bins provided by the municipal corporation. Biodegradable waste is put in the green bin. The waste that can rot easily and mixes with the soil soon is called biodegradable waste. Vegetables and fruit peels, cloth and paper are some biodegradable wastes. Non-biodegradable waste is put in the blue bin. The waste that does not rot easily and not mixes with the soil is called non-biodegradable waste. Plastic and glass are non-biodegradable waste. The waste from these bins is collected by the trucks of municipal corporations separately. Thus, collected waste is dumped in different dumping sites. Waste management. We know that waste production is natural. However, if it is produced in large quantity and not managed properly, it may be hazardous for humankind. Hence, it is advisable that we make efforts to minimize it. The best way to manage waste is to follow the 3 R's: reduce, reuse, and recycle. Reduce. We should reduce the amount of waste we produce. We should use the products which has either no packaging or less packaging. Also, we should use the products which can be reused. We should not use disposable plates, cups, and straws. Instead, use washable plates and cups. It is good to use cloth napkins instead of paper napkins. Write or print on both sides of the paper. Use refillable water bottle instead of buying plastic bottles of water. Reuse. There are some things which we can reuse, such as plastic bottles, paper, pencil shavings, etc. We can reuse such things by rebuilding, reselling, donating, and refilling. We should replace any single-use items with reusable ones. We can reuse gift wrapping paper to wrap another gift. We can use the pages left in the old notebooks for rough work. We can reuse plastic bottles, cans, and jars. Old clothes can be used for dusting and cleaning. Pencil shavings can be used to make designs on the greeting cards. Use old magazines and newspapers for craft work or give them for recycling. We can give old storybooks and textbooks to a library or to the needy kids. We can donate old clothes and toys to an orphanage or in slums. Recycle. We can also recycle some materials. Recycling means treating waste to get materials which we can use. We can sell old newspapers, magazines, torn books, and other material like plastic bottles, glass bottles, and metal objects that we do not use anymore. New paper is made by recycling old paper. Iron and steel material is recycled to make new things. In the same way, broken glass objects may be used to make new objects of glass. Recycling is very beneficial. By recycling objects, we can conserve natural resources, prevent pollution, and save energy.